All right, in problem number 2, we've got sodium carbonate and magnesium chlorate. And we have the question, what kind of a reaction is this? To begin with, I like to write them down, get the formulas correct. And now we come up with the, gee, what could happen here? Well, let's see. We have a gas reaction that says a carbonate, which is right here, right, could react with an acid to form carbon dioxide and water. But what's this? Is this an acid? No, it's not an acid. So this is not going to be a gas-producing reaction. That means there's only one other choice. It's a precipitation reaction. Remember, there won't be any no reaction happens. It's always going to be one or the other, one of the gas reactions or precipitation. So to get a precipitation reaction, I've got to first split up my compounds. All of them will be soluble, so what I actually have floating around in the beaker is sodium ions, carbonate ions, magnesium ions, and chlorate ions. And the question is, what is my insoluble pair? Which two of these would join together to form an insoluble product? And it's the two that I've circled. Magnesium and carbonate are not soluble. All sodium compounds are going to be soluble because it's a group 1, and all chlorates are soluble. That's one of our rules. So now that I've identified the insoluble pair, magnesium carbonate, that's going to form a solid, I can start filling in the other side of my arrow. So I'm going to make the magnesium carbonate, definitely. And because they're not going to react in any way, they're going to stay the same, the sodium ions and the chlorate ions are going to be spectators. That nothing happened to them, they get crossed out. Right. So that means, oops, got that. Once we get rid of the spectators, we're down to just the net reaction. Carbonate ions plus magnesium ions turn into magnesium carbonate. That's my reaction.